Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to set a marketing strategy. First, define your foundation by understanding who you want to reach. Identify your ideal customers and their specific needs. Next, analyze your current market position and what your competitors are doing. Finally, clearly articulate your unique value proposition, explaining why customers should choose you over others. Once your foundation is clear, set precise objectives. These goals should be specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. For example, aim for a 15% increase in website traffic within 3 months. Determine key performance indicators, like conversion rates or customer acquisition costs, to track your progress. Always ensure these objectives align with your broader business aims. With objectives in place, it's time to develop your strategy. Choose the most effective marketing channels and tactics to reach your audience, whether it's social media, email, or content marketing. Allocate your budget and resources wisely across these initiatives. Then, craft compelling messages that resonate with your target audience, highlighting your unique value proposition clearly. The final step involves implementing your plan and continuously measuring its effectiveness. Execute your marketing activities consistently across all chosen channels. Regularly monitor your performance using the key performance indicators you established earlier. Be prepared to adapt your strategy based on the results you see and any changes in the market. This iterative process ensures ongoing success.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.